Classes daily quiz. Hi my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Prashant Classes. We are giving daily current affairs. Please subscribe our channel. It is helpful for KS, IS, state and central exam. Today's important notes is India has become the second largest source of FDI for the United Kingdom. The statistics for the number of foreign direct investment FDI projects in the financial year 2019 and 2020 in the United Kingdom was released on 10th July 2020 by the United Kingdom Government's Department for International Trade DIT. As per the figures provided by DIT, the second largest source of FDI in the United Kingdom is now from India. Next important notes is India's first state level e-Lok Adalat conducted by Chhattisgarh High Court. Despite the cancellation of the third National Lok Adalat of the year 2020 scheduled to be held on 11th July 2020, the first state level e-Lok Adalat of India was conducted successfully on 11th July 2020. The Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court P.R. Ramachandra Menon inaugurated the first state-level e-Lok Adalat of India from the Conference Hall of Chhattisgarh State's High Court in Bilaspur district. The e-Lok Adalat was conducted through video conferencing. Next important notice is ATL APP Development Molds launched by NITI Ayogya's AIM on 10th July 2020 for school children across the country. ATL App Development has been launched in line with the Atmanirbhar Bharat intensivity for transforming school students from users of the smartphone based applications to innovate developers of the smartphone based applications to innovate developers of the smartphone based application. Next important notes is People's Action Party registers Comfortable Winley Hsien Loong to continue as the Prime Minister of Singapore. The 2020 general elections of Singapore was conducted on 10th July 2020 for its 105 seats. Unicameral parliament that 93 members are elected through the election. Singapore became the second country in Asia to conduct national polls in the times of the COVID-19 global pandemic. Earlier on 15th April 2020, South Korea became the first Asian country by conducting its 21st legislative elections. Next important notice is fourth cycle of All India Tiger Estimation 2018 enters Guinness Book of World Records for being the world's largest camera trapping wildlife survey. The fourth cycle of the All India Tiger Estimation 2018 has made it to the Guinness Book of World Records. Every 4 years since 2006, All India Tiger Estimation has been conducted in India. The 2018 estimation was the fourth cycle in overall. Earlier, from the first, second and third cycles were conducted in the years 2006, 2010 and 2014 respectively. Next important notice is Itolizumab injection gets DCGI approval for treatment of moderate to severe ARDS patients. The Drug Control General of India DCGI has given its approval to Itolizumab for the treatment of COVID-19 patients with restricted emergency use only in case of moderate to severe acute respiratory syndrome ARDS patients. Next important notice is webinar conducted for sensitization of MPS from ST Constable project. For the sensitization of the members of parliaments from scheduled tribe, ST was conducted on 10th July 2020. The webinar was conducted by the Minister of Tribal Affairs. The GOAL project has started as a pilot project by Facebook India back in March 2019. This pilot project was launched with 100 mentees and 25 mentors from the ST committee in 5 states of India: Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.